SICK is one of the market leaders in 3D vision, offering you a complete 3D snapshot camera portfolio dedicated to your vision application. Now, we present our precise 3D structured light solution, the Visionary S. Visionary S-CX is a 3D snapshot camera which combines color and depth in one device. Just like other Visionary product lines, Visionary S-CX has a rugged housing and is available in 2 sizes for different ambient temperatures. With its great speed, high accuracy, and sophisticated data filters, it is perfect for various automation tasks. Typical applications which benefit from the high-quality depth and color data are robot bin picking, quality control processes, static dimensioning, and palletizing tasks. The short reaction time of Visionary SCX perfectly fits applications such as rapid bin picking. In addition to high-depth accuracy, the color mapping allows for reliable recognition of challenging content, such as densely packed boxes or same-sized items which can only be distinguished by color. In secondary packaging processes, the completeness and correct order of packed items are highly important. High-resolution distance and color information are merged in the Visionary S to identify defective and incorrectly placed items in the package, making it the perfect solution for quality control tasks. Knowing the dimension and location of an object on a conveyor is essential in automated logistic processing. Even in static scenes, the high-quality data and advanced onboard data filters of the Visionary S-CX can be used for quick dimensioning of objects with millimeter accuracy, for instance, in end-of-line scenarios. Flexible and efficient automated management of incoming and outgoing goods is necessary in all factory steps. For automated picking of goods, the installation of the Visionary S-CX on a robot arm ensures great efficiency. In this mounting position, one camera is enough to get a complete view of the scene from different angles. The high frame rate and fast reaction time of Visionary S-CX allows for full picking speed of the robot without risking motion blur effects in the camera data. Perfectly adapted to existing industry process chains, the Visionary S-CX comes with configurable input and output functionality, such as real-time triggering, temperature warning, and job switching. How does Visionary S-CX work? The camera is based on stereoscopic vision. Similar to our human eyes, it captures a scene from 2 slightly different angles. As a result, identical objects are positioned differently in each image. This difference is used to determine the distance between the object and the camera, here represented by different colors. However, it's difficult to find this deviation in homogeneous surfaces that don't have any inherent contrast, such as in tightly packed goods of the same color. Therefore, the Visionary S-CX illuminates the scene with a predefined light pattern, creating an artificial structure for reliable distance measurements. In addition to the depth values, the Visionary S-CX streams high-quality RGB values. These color values are matched with the depth values directly in the camera. The preprocessed data can be further adapted to specific needs thanks to diverse and configurable filters. All this makes the development of intelligent object recognition algorithms easy and straightforward. At its center, the Visionary S-CX has an RGB color camera. Right next to it is the structured light source. The structured illumination is detected and measured by the 2 camera eyes at the ends of the camera to generate the 3D color and distance data. The data and power connections, as well as status LEDs, are located on the bottom of the sensor. The Visionary S-CX from SICK is a 3D snapshot camera which combines color and depth perception in one device. With its great speed, high accuracy, and sophisticated data filters, it is a perfect solution for various automation tasks, such as bin picking and robot guidance, quality control in consumer goods and packaging, dimensioning and sorting, palletizing and depalletizing. Visionary S-CX. Colorful perspectives for precise factory automation.